Glad someone's using the office. So I'm actually gonna put on makeup today by choice. Kind of miss doing my makeup, not even gonna lie, but this is funny. This looks like my neck. Anyways, I want to show you guys a full room tour obviously soon. I'm just like impatient and haven't hung things up yet, but this is my little makeup corner where I sit and do my glam. Summer actually decided to happen this year on time, which is so perfect. And we have this like really nice rustic backyard, but I actually got some really cool patio furniture last year sent to me by Article. So big shout out to them again. We didn't really get to fully use it last year because our patio was so tiny and claustrophobic, but it's out here now. And we haven't put the cushions on yet because we've been getting like rain so frequently, and I just don't want to deal with like bringing cushions in when this is our life. Okay, they don't smell like mold, which is great. I feel like there's bugs all over me. I look like I'm going to play tennis. We're gonna do some curbside margarita pickup. Very excited about that. This is as close to a restaurant experience as we've gotten. I'm gonna get 2 of the Tinga bowls. Special guest. So we have our margaritas, wow. Blended them with ice. Cheers from a distance. Cheers. Filming a garden tour. Ooh,
how do you make this? How do you zoom? How do you focus it?
Foam. Do you see the foam? Clovers. I wonder if we could find a 4-leaf clover. Y'all are about to see some familiar faces at a socially distanced length. My friends. Yeah. We all look the same, you know, going to get a cute mask finally because tired of wearing this disgusting thing. Gonna make drastic life improvements. That was so nice of Rachel's mom. She works at a store and they had a bunch of clothing racks, like the good ones, and they didn't need them anymore. So they offered them to us, which is amazing. So future pop-ups, whenever those will be. I headed off to pick up some face masks. I asked you guys on Instagram what were some good local brands that were making face masks because I'm tired of my ugly surgical ones. And my friend Christina, who has a bodysuit company, actually repurposed some of her like silky materials into face masks. So I was like, yo, I gotta support that. So she is down here. I'm gonna go pick those up. But I wanted to let you guys know that today is June 19th. It's Juneteenth, which is a big day in Black history that I was never taught about. So I encourage you guys to go check out the video that Vice posted on Instagram. I'll have it linked down below. It's 3 minutes. It's like jam-packed full of history and explains essentially why today is so important. You guys should go educate yourself, you know, educate yourself a little bit every week. That's what I'm trying to do. Maybe I'll listen to a podcast on the way back, but I'm just feeling nauseous now because the heat is insane. It is 30 degrees. That's not that bad, but I'm not used to it. It is much later. I don't think I ever really told you guys what today's vlog was. I don't know. I just feel like vlogging recently and I want to like vlog at least once a week to like hold myself accountable for staying up to date with you guys and talking about things. So my sister's birthday is actually tomorrow, but I'm having her and her best friend Alexia over tonight. Some of you might remember the Florida squad getting back together. I'm gonna put on some makeup. This day was like the first day where I've actually gone out and done multiple things in one day. It was still weird. It was like very overwhelming. I haven't felt this like overwhelming feeling in a long time where I'm like over caffeinated, haven't eaten, and feel constantly behind. Just one of those days. Plus it's really freaking hot outside, so that never helps the equation. But we're gonna have a fun little like wine and cheese and cocktail night, so probably should eat something before then, but my brain is all over the place right now. Main goal, I showered finally and I just put on serum, hence why I look so greasy. Becky's like really keen on making this cheese board, which like down for, even though I don't eat cheese or gluten, but hopefully there'll be some substitutes for me. Anyways, I'm trying to make her like really cute cupcakes. I've been like super inspired by all these like really fun cakes that I've been seeing on Instagram, and I wanted to make her some cute cupcakes, but she's very adamant on getting her butt over here, which like sure, fair, I get it. It's a nice day, she wants to party, she finished work, but I'm trying to like tell her to chill without like ruining the surprise because she doesn't really know that I'm doing anything. Hopefully I can get that done. The batter kind of looked a little soupy because it's gluten-free and dairy-free, so I hope I didn't miss a step. That's always like my biggest fear when baking, missing crucial steps. Here's the masterpiece before. Actually pretty proud of myself. They're so cute. I hope they taste as good as they look. That will be the telling moment. Maybe they'll taste better after a couple of glasses of wine. So I got a bunch of stuff at the dollar store, guys. I really want to do a video like about dollar store stuff because the dollar store was on point today. I got these, actually got those streamer things off of Amazon. The birthday sign is from the dollar store. These were from the dollar store. I just wanted to get good like reusable plastic cups, shot glasses. Cheers. Our new candle, the balloons. What do you think of balloons? Seems to have taken a liking to them now. These are Bali's earrings from my backyard. Let me know if you want some. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ready? It's Becky's birthday! Happy birthday! This is Becky's first gift. Stylish mask. Shout out to my friend Christina. So we're gonna go pick up some food. I don't know what to consider this. It's not breakfast, it's not lunch. Fruit station. Look at this lovely display. This is perfect. I'm very happy. 2, 3, 4. Becky's room is a vibe. So, the fun thing about being home at my parents' house is that I have a whole other wardrobe. I wore my bikini over here, but I need to find something cute to wear tonight. Let your body take control. One of her jeans is just like a cute little top. These are the ones I was thinking there. Just move a little closer. And I say, oh, it's a night we'll both remember. Oh. She has zero recollection of ever getting these jeans, but they're great. So for a little Percy woo. Ooh, these would look great on the wall. Forgot about this one. She's a cutie. Maybe I'll do this tonight. Let's go look at my sister's closet because I know she 100% has some of my gems in there. Room tour. I wanna get to know you. I know a place where we can go. I'm wearing this top because they should see Rod Stewart. It's a night we'll both remember. We're picking up dinner. I need to stop doing peace signs. Guys, we're on Fuller Street where there's a ton of thrift stores, and it's very tempting being down here and not going, but still just doesn't feel quite right. I don't know, not in the mood to get scammed by Value Village these days. But Becky and my mom just ran out to get dinner at Sugo. If you don't know about Sugo and you live in Toronto, get on that. Unfortunately, they don't have like gluten and dairy free options, so I'm breaking my my routine, I guess you could say, a tiny bit, sacrificing it for Becky's birthday. Of course, like I'm gonna have cake, like of course. Look at my bracelet. Becky and I made bracelets yesterday for her birthday. I was trying to like think of activities, quarantine activities to do. So I ordered beads off Amazon, and this other kit just came today. More bead making to come. It is a slow Sunday, y'all. Just a slow, freaking humid Sunday. Yeah, Daniel had to do some redecorating to our living room for a video that he is filming with our new TV. Yeah, kind of like what he did actually, not gonna lie. He added the skateboards up there, moved the balls over here. They were in my office, but they actually originally were on top of the fireplace over there. So, quick little room tour. I want to get a sofa cover for this really ugly sofa bed that we have. We've been sleeping down here because it's so hot, so don't mind that. But it's just this like really ugly gray. Like I don't know what to call this shade of gray, but you know, it's one of the many 50 shades that exist. It's very like office-y to me. It's just not the vibe in here. So I'm thinking of getting a cover that's like, honestly, I don't know what color to do because that one's kind of turquoisey. Our rug is just beige, and then we have this chair over here that's like maroon. So let me know, what should I do about this guy right here? That's the situation for today, folks. Pretty much living in the studio. My dad is gonna come by because it's actually Father's Day today, but I saw them yesterday for Becky's birthday dinner. Ooh, I have exciting news, y'all. My favorite La Croix flavor is now available in Canada. Used to literally drive to Buffalo to get these for thrifting and stuff too, but this was like a highlight. This is also a really good flavor. I don't know if it's new here, but mango. So fresh, so good. So yeah, that's a little update for today. Just a chill Sunday. Getting myself organized. Oh yeah, I was gonna tell you guys, I went grocery shopping, hence why I picked up those lip gloss for the first time in so long. And I know in the last vlog I was like, I'm just gonna keep ordering groceries, like whatever, it's easier, just like stresses me out going to a store. But I went to Whole Foods and it was actually so nice to be at a grocery store. Like, first of all, it's a lot cheaper to just go pick up your own groceries, like obviously, but I'm such a visual person, so for me, planning groceries in advance and having to order them is very stressful. But when I'm at the grocery store, I just like kind of know what I need to pick up. So I finally feel satisfied with the groceries that we have, and like there's so much fruit and vegetables, and that just makes me happy. I don't know, I need to go grocery shopping more often. I also got so many grapes, so I froze them. If you guys aren't freezing your grapes, like get on that. Great little summer snack. Oh my gosh, I ordered these smoothies by accident and I'm kind of regretting it, to be honest, but the freezer is stocked. And why is this happening? Can someone let me know? So we have a raccoon problem. It's tough because like they're babies and they're kind of cute, but at the same time they're destructive and not down for it. And yeah, finished Love Island season 5. Becky came over, we finished that. Oh no, I feel like there's gonna be like 10 of them out here. Goodbye. Like, kind of cute though, right? Kind of cute though. Is he gonna... oh, oh, oh. Oh my god. I don't know why they keep coming back, because like there's no food or anything. It's literally just like cans and stuff, but whatever. So I finished Love Island season 5 and I'm waiting for Daniel to get home because I want to start season 6. And then once season 6 is done, like I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life. Honestly, hopefully like life will be back to normal, because I'm not a reality TV person. I don't normally do this, and honestly it's made me way less productive. I just get excited to eat dinner and conclude my night with some Love Island. So I don't know, not great. I want to get out of it because I just spend way too much time watching it and it's not healthy. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hopefully I have enough stuff. If you guys like the vlogs, let me know, subscribe, and I will see you guys all with a new video hopefully in a couple days. Have a good night. Me seeing me with dark nails is like reminding me of like Avril wannabe Sarah. Good time. Love y'all.